This is a papad. Many people enjoy eating papad as part of their daily meals. However, some people cannot eat too much papad because of health conditions such as high cholesterol. Papad is an important part of many people's meals. During a sadhya or other special meals, many people feel that the meal is incomplete without papad. Papad is available in different shapes and sizes. Overall, most people like to include papad in their diet.